This is a website built for realtors and real estate agencies. We're going to take a look at the website and see all that comes with it. This is the home page, and what you'll notice first off is the menu at the top with a prominent button and the hero section that has two call to action buttons that can be anything you want. Contact you, call your office, whatever you need. And you'll notice as we scroll down the page, the menu will disappear and scroll up. And then if the user wants to scroll back to the top, the menu will come into view again. And then at the top, it will stick back to the top as a sticky header. Scrolling down, we have our featured properties. And you can set any property you want to be a featured property, and it will show up here on this carousel. And the user can click or use keyboard controls, because we try to make our websites accessible, to scroll through the different featured properties. Moving down, we have the call to action section for people to say, hey, I'm interested in a condo or a house. I'm a property owner, a buyer, or an agent. And they can fill out some basic information so that your team can get in contact with them to talk about what they are looking for on the market. All of the text and images are stock images, and those can be changed to fit your unique brand and your needs. This is all just placeholder text and images right now. The next section is for your agents, and we will have the different agents listed here. And as you add more agents onto your website's database, they will automatically pop up here. This is just an example. At the bottom of the home page, we have a really cool video section. So if you have some drone imagery or video, or just want a video of your team and your agency, you can prominently display that and users can watch it right from the website. You can host that on YouTube or other video hosting platforms, and we can bring that video onto your website really easily. Next is a new property notification sign up. So this would be for your newsletter. You should always be trying to build your email list of potential clients. That way, you never know if somebody's going to be looking for a house. You can send out a monthly newsletter, weekly newsletter, or whatever you want, and always be in contact with those potential leads. Finally, there's a call to action section at the bottom with another couple buttons here and the footer. All right, let's go back to the menu and let's go to the properties section. And the properties page is a really cool page because it has a map view and a list of all your properties on your website. It also has a filter at the top here so that we can filter down on exactly what we're looking for. And this filter could be customized to add different type of filter attributes for your properties. This is a very typical setup for a real estate agent website. You also notice as we hover the different properties, the pins on the map will change to show the user that this one is located on the map because of the pin change, so they can see visually where their property is located on the map. They can filter by the type, beds, baths, or the city. And then there's a price filter. So if they're only looking for high-end properties, they can filter that price, and then you'll see those will automatically update. If it doesn't match the filter parameters, the houses are not shown or the properties are not shown, they're hidden, which is a really neat feature. Then if we want to go look at an individual property, we can click into it here, and that will bring us to our next template, and that is the individual property template. So we have a description, which is customizable, and then some attributes about the house, 5 beds, 3.5 baths, and a button to contact us about this property. Then we're going to have an image with a carousel here. And again, these are keyboard accessible, so if the user is pushing the left key or the right key, they can, or they can use their mouse. And these are stock photos, but this is what you would set up with your featured image and then additional images about your property. And then down below, we have some other information, address, status, and a description. Then we have a schedule a showing form where a user can pick a day, and you can turn weekends on, weekends off. You can totally customize this schedule here for the next, I believe it's 20 days. You can add special days or exclude days. It's really easy to set that up. Then they can pick a time and submit their email and name, and that will come to your staff to schedule that showing for that user. We try to make it really user-friendly on the users and then also on your back office staff to handle all of these contact us forms coming in. It shows who the realtor is and is related to that property. Let's go take a look at the About Us page. And this will be about your agency or whatever you want. This could be for your individual agents, or this could be for your agency as a whole, and some general information and pictures, and some galleries here that users can see some of your properties or what it is that you are working with, and then some scrolling logos that you could put whatever you want here to scroll across to the user. And again, if they want to have a showing, they can just have a generic, hey, I want to go look at all your properties, and they can fill this form out again. All right, let's go take a look at the loan calculator. A lot of real estate websites have a loan calculator, and the users will fill in the information. So if they wanted to change their down payment, they can update that. And then the charts and graphs will all automatically update based on the information that they put in. 25-year loan, it will change. And then they'll have their total monthly payment with taxes right here. If they want to change their taxes and fees, we have sections for different values that they would put in. Property tax rate, home insurance, estimated property value, things like that. Then down below, we have an amortization chart and table so that the user can see what it is they would pay each year. We can build this to be for each month, but the chart gets a little bit cluttered, so we've standardized by showing on the year. And then if they don't like the chart view, they can come to the table view. And what's really cool about this is if we update anything here, everything auto updates down below. So we can see exactly what we're going to pay on this 25-year loan in interest and principal. We have a contact us page where they can get in contact with your office for anything generic that they'd want to talk about, getting to know you, maybe they want to sell a house, and this is where they would do that. They can also fill out that schedule a showing form, or we can update this to be whatever type of form you'd need. Buttons for call our office, sending a note in, or if you'd like to have a live chat, you can set up something like that, no problem. If you're interested in a website like this, please fill out a contact us form at busysites.com, and we can schedule a time to talk about how we would implement this for you and talk about pricing. Our pricing structure at Busy Sites is on a subscription basis. It's a month to month for 24 months. And after the end of the 24 months, you own the website. It's yours, and you can read all about our pricing at busysites.com. All right, if you have any questions, again, please get in contact with me and look out for more videos diving a little bit deeper in how we add properties, manage properties, change information about our contact us forms, and all of that scheduling system. It's all built into your website and very easy to use, and we'll dive into those later. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.